I want to share this model home with you guys. This is one of my favorite model homes, and it's a super popular one. We are located in the Pinnacle model home at Meridian Parks, which is the north side of Lake Nona, a huge growing area. This isn't a master plan community, and it's one of their most popular floor plans. It's sitting at about 2,300 square feet. Its common layout is because up front here, you have the bedroom and a full ensuite bath configuration that you guys can use. And then as we walk toward the house, you have your access to the utility room, the laundry room, which has some really cool looking tile if you want to be like, tile fanatics. 2-car garage in this floor plan. And then this flex space, which they have staged as an office, but you could either use it as a formal dining room. And then what really gets a lot of people interested in this home is this wide open area. You have gorgeous white kitchen with stainless steel appliances. This community is not a gas community, so the range is going to be electric. They have this room set up with, obviously your dining table, and then this open living room area that leads out to a covered lanai. And then separate from the bedroom in the front is 2 more additional bedrooms in the primary suite in the back. But before we get there, we've got a nice step-in pantry here. Down this hall to the left is the other 2 secondary bedrooms. So that's bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and a full bath between them. And then behind me is our master bedroom suite. This floor plan actually has direct access for the master suite to go out to the patio, which is great. That means you can put the hot tub out there and you can sneak out once you put the kids to bed. And then my favorite part, of course, is this master bathroom. With this configuration, they have 2 shower heads on either side. You got your dual sinks with quartz countertops, your throne room where they actually put shelves for your towel closets, for your towels and stuff inside the bathroom, which honestly is probably the best use of space in a throne room, is to put shelves rather than having a wasted space of a separate towel closet. So Meridian Parks is a new construction master plan community, like I said, on the north side of Lake Nona, and that would include single family homes that are in lots that are 50, 60, and 70 foot wide, as well as townhomes are available as well. This is a whole master plan community and it's all brand new. We're currently, as the time of recording this video, we're in phase 2 of a 12-phase master plan community. But what that also means is the schools have already been built. So you're not waiting. In other master plan communities in Winter Garden, you were kind of like waiting for schools to be built. They already have the elementary school, middle school, and high school built and completed and open for individuals who are moving into this community now. And the cool thing about these phases is each phase is going to have a different amenity center that the residents are able to use, so that you're not just, waiting in line at your one giant amenity center. The final thing about Meridian Parks is the connection with nature. The way that they've designed this master plan community is unique because each phase is a different node, or almost like a different neighborhood that's surrounded by trees, conservation, and wildlife. And there's trails, walking trails and biking trails that go from each of the neighborhoods and the nodes of the whole master plan community. So there's miles and miles of trails that you can explore and enjoy while being one with nature, while you're very still connected to Orlando by the 417, which would hop you down into Lake Nona or into downtown Orlando. And there is going to be an entrance on the 528 B line as well on the north side of the community as the community progresses in construction. So this is a great opportunity to get into Meridian Parks and check out the different home styles that are available. And if you're interested in learning more about this new construction community or any new construction in Central Florida, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or anyone on our team.